Welcome to G0DM0D3, the open-source chat interface that lets you explore cognition without control. It's built for hackers, philosophers, and system tinkerers who want to test, research, and push AI models in new ways. G0DM0D3 lets you connect to any model provider you like. You can bring in up to 4 different models from the Venice collection, 60 from Open Router, or your own local server. If you prefer to keep everything on your machine, you can run the same engine locally using Llama, LM Studio, Llama CPP, or VLLM. The interface has several modes. The classic odd mode contains 5 proven model and prompt combinations that race in parallel to choose the best response. The new elder-plinius engine expands that idea by running many models at once, scoring each reply on a composite 100-point metric, and returning the winner. Elder-plinius can run from 12 to 60 Open Router models, plus optional Venice or local models. It also offers a depth-scaled approach, fast models for speed, standard for balanced performance, smart for deep reasoning, power for a wide Open Router race, and ultra for the full set. If you want to battle test your models, Parseltongue is the tool for that. It injects 33 transformation techniques, everything from LeetSpeak to Unicode substitutions, across 3 intensity tiers. It's great for seeing how robust a model is against obfuscation. Autotune gives you context-adaptive sampling. It figures out which of 20 question types you're asking and selects temperature, top, frequency penalty, presence penalty, and repetition penalty to match the situation automatically. Privacy is a core design principle. By default, the application collects minimal telemetry, only a random session ID, timestamps, model and mode information, scores, and the like. No prompts, responses, or API keys are sent back to the server. If you enable the data collection feature on the API server, you can choose to record entire conversations for public release on Hugging Face, but you must opt in explicitly. If you prefer everything local, turn on no-log mode or local-only mode in settings. This disables all telemetry and local model calls. Your chat history stays in your browser's local storage with no account system. It doesn't sync across devices, and it's gone if you clear your data or use a private window. The app does let you export or import your history, so you can back it up if you like. Under the hood, the app is a single HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file that runs in the browser. It talks to model providers via HTTP, and optional telemetry is sent to a Cloudflare function that writes data to Hugging Face when configured. If you wish, you can deploy the page on any static host, GitHub Pages, Netlify, Vercel, or even your own server. Deploying is very simple because the entire UI lives in one file. To host it yourself, just clone the repository, open the index file in your browser, and then configure your API keys and settings. If you want to embed the UI on another site, just serve that single file. For a full stack experience, you can also run the optional Node server, React frontend, or telemetry function if you need more sophisticated logging. The system ships with several databases of features and documentation. The source code, API specification, research paper, and terms of service are all included. You can also check a local model's guide to run everything entirely offline. The code is licensed under the GNU Affero GPL 3.0, so you can modify and share as long as you keep the same license for any distributed version. In short, G0DM0D3 is not just a chat interface. It's an open framework that lets you race, test, and study models while keeping your privacy and control. Whether you're researching new jailbreaks, comparing model performance, or just chatting for fun, G0DM0D3 gives you the tools to do it all freely.